The two things I think about whenever I think about Ekahau Connect is force multiplication and demarcation. Being able to provide an iPad client to someone who doesn't know as much about wireless networks, about wireless engineering, allows me to create a force multiplier and actually do more with fewer resources or less trained resources, and allows us to multiply our forces in a manner that while they're surveying a building, maybe looking to resolve a problem or maybe looking to understand the current environment, I can also be working on a predictive survey in ESS, for a completely different project. I'm not having to tear my own time between those two different projects and figure out how I have to be feet on the ground in one location while also at my desk working on another one. Being able to do those packet captures remotely, they can be on site when we can be interacting. As soon as the packet capture is uploaded and I'm able to look at that, we can then begin looking at, okay, here's some changes you can make. We can affect change faster, but also with lower impact on my schedule and their schedule, right? I can do that remotely, and I can immediately go back to whatever it is that I'm working on, whatever project I'm working on, and I can get right back to being effective.